ॐ गणाधिपो भानुशशीधरां सुतबुधो गुरुभार्गवसूर्यनन्दनो राहुश्च केतुश्च परन्नवग्रह कुर्वन्तु पूर्णमनोरथं सदा उपेन्द्र इन्द्रो वरुणो हुताशनं धर्मो यमो वायु हरिश्चतुर्भुजं गन्धर्वयक्षो रगसिद्धचारणा कुर्वन्तवो पूर्णमनोरथं सदा।
बोले श्री गजानन स्वामी की जय। I say welcome to one and all devotees to this, the final night of our yajna, but it's not the final session. Tomorrow from 3 to 5 will be the final session. And once again, we are before the Mangal Murti of Lord Ganesh, and 3 of them, in fact, as well as the other normal murtis we have. So it's a very special time, a very blessed moment, and you couldn't have made a better choice than to be here to engage meaningfully in devotion. It is said, and quite rightly, the cause of suffering is the thirst for pleasure. That's the cause of suffering. So we are told, break the bondage of desire. Be happy and free, like the waves dancing in the ocean. Wonderful imagery, meaningful words. True wealth consists in not what we have, but what we are. So, what am I? What are you? Only you know and God know. So here we are now, about to add to our blessed life more blessings through the grace of Lord Ganesh. Focus upon his comely form. You can keep your eyes open, and we shall proceed straight with this bhajan invocation, which is Bhajan Ratnakar. Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesha Deva. Mata to Parvati, Pita Mahadeva. Om Shri Vigneshwaraye Namah. Om Shri Guru Charan Kamal Bhyo Namah. Om Ai Mahasaraswatye Namah. Om Namaschandikaye. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaye Namah. Om Shri Sita Ramachandraye Namah. Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha Deva. Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha Deva. Mata Jake Parvati, Pita Mahadeva. Mata Jake Parvati, Pita Mahadeva. Oh Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha Deva. Mata Jake Parvati, Pita Mahadeva. एकदंत दयावन चार भुजधारी. एकदंत दयावंत चार भुजधारी. मस्तक
सिंदूर सोहे मूसे की सवारी। जय गणेश जय गणेश।
जय गणेश देवा माता राखी पार्वती पिता महादेवा।
अंधन को आँख देता कोढ़े को काया। बाझन को पुत्र देता निर्धन को माया। अंधन को आँख देता कोढ़े को काया। बाझन को पुत्र देता निर्धन को माया। हो जय
गणेश जय गणेश। जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा।
हार चढ़े पुष्प चढ़े यो चढ़े मेवा। लड्डुअन का भोग लगे संत करे सेवा। हार चढ़े पुष्प चढ़े यो चढ़े मेवा। लड्डुअन का भोग लगे संत करे सेवा। हो जय गणेश
जय गणेश। जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा।
दासन की लाज रखे शंभु पुत्र वारी। मेरे मनोरथ पूर्ण जाओ बलिहारी। दासन की लाज रखे शंभु पुत्र वारी। मेरे मनोरथ पूर्ण करो जाओ बलिहारी। जय गणेश जय गणेश।
जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा।
माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा। माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा। माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा। माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा। ओ जय गणेश जय गणेश। जय गणेश देवा माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा। माता जाके पार्वती पिता महादेवा। जय गणेश जय गणेश। बोले श्री गजानन स्वामी की। And then devotees did bhajan by Tulsidas. We have sung it so many a time. We shall now do it in Chaupai, Ramayana tune. गाये ये गणपति जगबंदन। गाये ये गणपति जगबंदन। शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन। बाबा श्री सिद्धि सदन गज बदन विनायक कृपा सिंधु सुंदर सब लायक जय गणेश बाबा श्री जय गणेश बाबा श्री जय गणेश बाबा श्री गणेश बाबा मोदक प्रिय मोद मंगल दाता विद्या परिधि बुद्धि विधाता मांगत तुलसीदास कर जोरे मांगत तुलसीदास कर जोरे. When I say Mangat Tulsidas, Tulsidas who wrote this wonderful glorification to Ganeshji, he's asking, and so we should also ask. What are we asking for? Mangat Tulsidas kar jod kar more. Oh Lord, I put my hands together, I bow to you, and I seek your blessings, guidance, help and protection for myself and my near and dear ones. And I always remind you, even though those who are near and dear to us have passed on, the soul never dies. It can never die because it was never born. It is eternal, ajar amar abhinashi. And so devotees, let us pray for those special people who meant so much and did so much, as well as for those who are here right now. Each and every one, let us all feel the presence and the presence of Lord Ganesha. And that can only happen through your love, through your devotion. मांगत तुलसीदास कर जोरे बस ही राम सिया मानस मोरे राम मानस मोरे गाये ये गणपति शंकर सोवन भवानी नंदन जय गणेश बाबा श्री गणेश जय गणेश बाबा श्री गणेश जय गणेश बाबा श्री गणेश बाबा श्री गणेश Shri Gajanan Swami Ki. And so devotees, our Katha from Ganesh Puran, this is an abbreviated form, a bridge form, short, again in Dohan Chaupai. And the topic is Nal Damayanti. Nal and Damayanti, two individuals who became king and queen, but things didn't go the way they expected to go. And in life, there are many situations, disappointments, frustration, embarrassment, loss, gain, you name it. All of these are aspects of life that we have to learn to cope with. And therefore, one of the best ways to handle life is to develop coping mechanisms. And one of the best coping mechanisms is through spirituality. Spirituality, patience, tolerance, love, understanding, and so much more that Lord Krishna spoke so highly about in Bhagavad Gita. So let us listen, devotees, to what happened a long time ago. Ek samaya bipati pariyayi Chotaraj deshe samudayi Nari समेत बेटिन कहु गयवो तापर पीड़ा बिछोहे भयवो जय गणेश बाबा श्री गणेशा जय गणेश बाबा श्री गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश बाबा श्री गणेश। एक समय उस पर विपत्ति आई और उसे राज, देश तथा परिवार को छोड़कर जाना पड़ा। राजा अपनी पत्नी के साथ गया था और वहाँ एक अपनी पत्नी की बिछुई गई। Devotees, once these two individuals, king and queen, Nal and Damayanti, their kingdom and their life was struck by misfortune. I don't say bad luck, but you understand what we mean. Things didn't go well and everything went down. And this is what life is all about. Boom and bust, gain and loss. And if we don't know how to cope and to understand these different situations in life, we'll be lost. So at this point, based on what the Katha is saying, misfortune struck them and it can hit anybody. Don't ever think that because it happened to them, it can happen to me. It's just the time hasn't come yet. But everyone in some form or fashion will undergo some kind of unfortunate circumstance. And it's a whole variety. I can't go and explain all the things that can happen to us. Whether it's sickness, whether it's loss of a near and dear one, whatever it might be. And so devotees, king and queen, they now, their life and their kingdom was struck by misfortune. And we're not going to all the misfortune. There are many areas of misfortune. So what happened? It became so bad, they had to leave their kingdom, their country, and their family behind and seek shelter elsewhere. So imagine the day comes where you have built, you have prospered, and you have to leave it behind. Now we know through death that will happen. But in this case, I'm alive. And misfortune is so serious, I have to leave my kingdom. I have to leave my country, and I have to leave my family behind. What a situation, devotees. Some other time, if you wish, you can know what all this misfortune and all this country and kingdom was about. But I think we are intelligent. We know what it is that can cause us to leave these important aspects of our life behind. He had to go somewhere with his wife. But it so happened while they were going, the thing became even more serious. They got separated. So now husband is separated from his wife. What can be worse than that? You don't mind losing your money, or your car, or whatever, what have you. But now you have lost the one with whom you have built everything, the one whom you have built a relationship with, and the one whom you depended upon. So now husband and wife are all on their own.
And this is a great lesson for all of us. I know they are saying all of us, me too, because anything can happen to any one of us. Don't take anything to chance. That's why every day when you pray, say, Lord, bless me, my home, and my family. And many a time I ask children, do you pray for your parents? Because I know parents do pray for us. Parents always pray for us. But do we pray for our parents? That's something you have to bear in mind. So, the situation is dire, it's serious, and they are now separated. So what will happen? Let us listen.
कतहु भूप कतहि गए रानी कतहु भूप कतह गए रानी महाविपत्ति की में कहो बखानी जय गणेश बाबा दमयंती बहु करे बिलापा दमयंती बहु करे बिलापा मूर्छित परे महासंतापा महासंतापरा महासंतापा मूर्छित परे महासंतापा जय गणेश बाबा श्री गणेश जय गणेश बाबा श्री गणेश जय गणेश बाबा श्री गणेश
राजा कहीं चला गया तो रानी कहीं और चली गई। उन पर आई इस महाविपत्ति का वर्णन में आपसे किस प्रकार करूं। रानी दमयंती बहुत विलाप करने लगी और अति शोक के कारण मूर्छित होकर गिर पड़ी। They all separated. Neither knew where the other went. And so devotees, here we're being told, how can I describe the great misfortune that befell them? How can I describe that? This is what the poet is saying. Queen Damayanti started lamenting intensely, and owing to her excessive grief, she fell down unconscious. This is what pain, emotional disturbance, and all of these things can do to us. So what happened? मूर्छा से उठकर वह वन में चली गई। शोक और दुख से कारण उसके अपने तन मन भी की सुध नहीं रही। वन में विचरने करते करते उसने एक आश्रम देखा जहाँ अति पूज्य ऋषि विराजमान थे। So she remained unconscious for a while. When she regained consciousness, she saw herself in the forest, lost. She can't make out what forest it is and what she's surrounded by. And so extreme grief and pain, she became unmindful. Hear how serious it was. She became unmindful of her body and her mind. She wasn't conscious of her body and her mind. The pain was too much for her, the grief. And so she began to wander. She couldn't remain there. She kept wandering in the forest until she came to an ashram, a hermitage or a dwelling place where a very revered sage lived. And devotees, seeing him, what happened? उन्हें देखकर दमयंती के मन को छोड़ा बंधाकर उसने जाकर ऋषि के चरण पकड़ लिए, हाथ जोड़कर उनके सामने खड़ी हो गई और आठ स्वर से कहने लगी। When she saw him, she felt comforted. And as I say this, I remember the words of Ramayana and Tulsidas. When Sri Ram said, Bhaya Lakshman, look how the rain is about to fall. The clouds have accumulated. And look how the peacocks are dancing in anticipation of the rain. What did that mean? Bhaya Lakshman, So too, when you see a holy person, you should have joy because they will have some solution, something good to say, something good to do to help you in your situation. That's a powerful point, and we see it being played out here. So when she saw this holy man, she felt a sense of comfort that nobody's going to take advantage of me. We know how women be taking advantage of. I'd have to tell you what's happening in India, or what happened, or what's happening here and everywhere. It's a serious situation where we are taking advantage of each other, hurting one another. Devotees, is it a stranger who hurts us? Maybe. But you know, there's a little incident of the chandan tree. Once a man was cutting down chandan trees. So the young chandan tree, this story, just follow how it goes, men to teach a lesson. The young chandan tree started to cry. So the mama chandan tree said, say, beta or beti, what are you crying for? He said, look at that man, how wicked he is. He's cutting down my relatives and my friends and everybody. So the mother said, listen, look again. Is it the chandan tree? Is it the man, or what is it? When he looked carefully, he said, no, it's not the man. It's not the chandan tree. Then what is it? Look again. When he watched properly, he said, the axe. She said, no, look again. When she looked again, the axe was fitted onto a handle, and the handle was made from chandan tree. So we cut ourselves down. We hurt ourselves. We drop axe on our own foot. Isn't that what we do? That's what we do. So here now is exactly, she saw the holy man, she's happy, she's comforted, and so she said, you know what? He will not hurt me. And she went and fell at his feet. When we see holy people, we bow. Bowing is a great act of spiritual action. Devotees, and when we bow, there's a beautiful saying, the head that does not bow will never wear the crown. You know what I mean? If I am full of pride, puffed up with pride and abhiman, how can I experience anything spiritual or good? The head that does not bow will never wear the crown. Therefore, we have to adopt an attitude of simplicity, humility, and then we're able to enjoy what it is. Again, go to Ramayana, there's so many examples. Sri Rama is on the balcony in Ayodhya. That Ayodhya they have built where millions are going and finding great joy and consolation and happiness. And Jai Ram, Jai Sri Ram, he's standing on that balcony. And devotees, there was a pig. And this pig saw Sri Ram. And it's a whole story, I just give you the gist of it. And he decided to rush to boot Sri Ram and pelt him over. And devotees, if God looking east, he sees west. God sees everywhere at the same time. But we still have not understood the concept of God and the greatness of God. Devotees, Bhagwan is unbelievable. There are many who are mighty. He is the Almighty. There are many who are great. He is the greatest. And devotees, when we understand that, we'll batten our crease and live accordingly. So this pig, which was once, I'm just fast-tracking the story, it was once a king. And when Sri Ram lifted him and dashed him, out came that pig form, and instead the Gandhar form, the celestial form. And he said, who are you? He said, Lord, I was a king. I was suffering in that pig form. And I had one bad habit. Devotees, how many bad habits you have? How many bad habits do we have? He said, Lord, I have one bad habit in my last life. I never believe in bowing to holy people. Why should I bow to a man like myself? People up to now make that comment, devotees. You're bowing to a man like yourself, that's how you see it. Well, leave it there. It's not a man like yourself, it's a man unlike you. A man who has distinguished himself spiritually and otherwise. So I had this bad habit, I never wanted to bow to holy people. And so I died and I was reborn as a pig. And have you ever noticed a pig? How often you see a pig looking up in the air? The head always bent down. Always bent down, oink, oink, oink. That's a pig. So devotees, we have to be very careful. And this is not meant to scare anybody. Am I scaring anybody? Am I scaremongering? No, these are the facts of life. So here, she fell at the feet of the sage. And devotees, Bhajumana Rama Charana Sukadai. Where does happiness lie? Where happiness lies, let me just quickly say this in the form of the bhajan, but not all the verses.
राम चरण सुखदाई सुखदाई राम चरण सुखदाई सुखदाई भजू मन राम चरण सुखदाई भजू मन राम
चरण सुखदाई
हे राम चरण सुखदाई सुखदाई राम चरण सुखदाई सुखदाई भजू मन राम चरण सुखदाई भजू मन
राम चरण सुखदाई
There are many verses. I'll just sing this one. ध्रुव प्रहलाद सुदामा सुक गणिका गिधक साई ध्रुव प्रहलाद सुदामा सुख ध्रुव प्रहलाद सुदामा सुख गणिका गिधक साई भजू मन राम चरण सुखदाई भजू मन
चरण सुखदाई
You have heard of Dhruv sitting on the lap of his father, the king. His stepmother came and dragged him along, said, "You don't belong there, get out." He was hurt. We all have feelings. But can we control our feelings of hurt? It's easy to get hurt, you know. It's happening all about. But devotees, can we control it? So he was thrown off. He was hurt by his stepmother. We have Prahlad, his own father. A number of times tried to kill him, his own father, because he refused to believe that his father is God. He said, "You are like my God, but you're not God. You were born like me, you will die like me." But he had Abhiman, pride. So that's another individual. It goes under Sudama, Ganika, Gita, you name it, all of these individuals, Shivari, they had it very difficult in life, but remained calm, simple, collected. They worshiped the Lord. And devotees, through the simplicity and through the love, bowing to the lotus-like feet of the Lord, they were elevated. Notice how a devotee starts. You start by the feet of the Lord, and then he picks you up and he elevates you. You can't start at the head. If you start at the head, where will you go? You have to start somewhere. You start at the feet. Bhajuman Rama Charana Sukadai. The great Ganga that some of us will be going to take a bath in. The where the Ganga started? From the feet of Lord Shiva. Ganga. And there's so many things. Unbelievable. So here we see. She fell on the feet of the holy man, the sage. And devotee, this is where we bow. And bowing is an interesting thing. People do all kinds of ways. Sometimes some bow by the organ. Some bow by the Baba knee. Some bow by Baba belly. I tell you what happens there. Unbelievable. You bow where you want. Devotee, based on where you bow, that's how the blessing will come. So I never see the Baba belly bless a man yet. If that happens, come and tell me. So here what? Devotee, she touched the sage's feet. Touch his feet. And she stood before him with folded hands. When we stand before Mother, Father, Guru, and God, you stand up like a lion and a big man. And this is the next thing I always say. And I will keep saying it, and perhaps I can't say it no more. Can I be my father's father? I have to be the son to the father. I have to show that respect and humility to him. My mother also. And if we refuse to do that, then the devotee will be backing up the wrong tree. We're backing up the wrong tree.
So folded hands, very simple, very humble. Mother is mother, guru is guru, the holy man is the holy man. And devotee, we have to give it that kind of respect. So she put her hands together, and in a distressed voice, you can imagine how she was speaking, weakly, faintly, feebly, and with emotion, trembling voice. What she said? Sunahu nath mama vachana vishekha, tum kaho raya nal ko dekha. ऋषि ने कहा नहीं देखे वो माई, सुनकर बचन रानी मुरझाई। जय गणेश बाबा श्री गणेश, जय गणेश बाबा श्री गणेश। हे ऋषिवर, कृपा कर मेरी बात सुनिए ना। क्या आपने कहीं राजा नल को देखा है? ऋषि ने कहा, हे माता, हमने राजा नल को नहीं देखा। यह सुनकर रानी उदास हो गई। Very, very humbly she said, "O great sage, I know of your greatness, I know of your power. And this is my situation. I'm looking for my dear husband. Have you seen him, heard anything from him? Please explain. I need to get something to give me confidence, to give me a boost in life. Have you seen him? Rajanal ko dekha?" The sage immediately said, "Hey Mata," here how he addressed her, "Hey Mata, oh mother." And this is something we have to bear in mind. That's part of Hindu tradition. But now we still do it in a different way. When you go in a wedding, you say, "Onks, bring some more roti." And when I say that, we still say onks or uncle. Right? Hey and oi, or hey man, hey roti man, come. We don't speak like that. We always show people some kind of respect. So here, he says Mata. We always consider mothers as mother, younger. Okay, let me put it this way. Those older than me is like Ma. Those my age is Bahin or sister. And those younger than me is, no, there's my age is, and those younger than me, they're my beti, daughter. We have to go back to this kind of wonderful traditions. And if we don't live like this, then we just spinning top and mother to say. So he said, Ma, a great sage, he is calling this lady mother. And that's one of the greatest terms you can use for a woman, mother, showing respect to her. So I have not seen King Nal. When she heard this, she became heartbroken even more. And so she left the ashram in search of her husband. This is so very important. So while walking and walking, what happened? Bhai sachitayage chale rani, nadi ekatah dekhi sayani, taha yapsara majan karahi, mangal gaan sunat dukh tahi. Jai Ganesh Baba Shri Ganesha, Shri Ganesh Baba Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesh Baba Shri Ganesha, Jai Ganesh Baba Shri Ganesha, Shri Ganesh Baba Jai गणेशा। थोड़ा सावधान होने पर रानी आगे बढ़ चली। वहाँ उसने एक सुंदर नदी देखी। उस नदी पर एक अप्सरा स्नान कर रही थी और इतने मंगल स्वर से गायन कर रही थी जिससे सुनकर सारे दुख मिट जावे। So walking and walking, getting more unhappy, more unsettled, more frustrated, devotees, waiting and hoping that something will happen. And there's a beautiful saying, never give up, because a quitter never wins and a winner never quits. When the going gets tough, we know what the tough does. Always bear that in mind. And so, devotee, this is how the world is. Our patience, our strength, our tolerance and our willpower will always be tested. Dhiraja dharma mitra arunari, your courage, a woman, mitra friend, these will be tested in times of adversity. Are they genuine or are they false? And we all know false friends are precious, but true friends are precious but rare. False friends are found like autumn leaves or like rain everywhere, mud, or like mosquito everywhere. So devotees, she's walking, hoping to get something new for transformation, and she came to a beautiful river. Now we all know how important river is. We want not go into that. Mother Nature. Devotees, we need to preserve nature. I spoke about it the previous night. And therefore those of us who like River Lime, yes, enjoy it, but don't desecrate the place. Why do it? So she found a beautiful river. It's something hard to find. And there was an Apsara, a heavenly being, singing and bathing with a beautiful voice. And devotees, her voice was so beautiful, so enchanting, it made her temporarily forget her sorrows. You see the power of the voice? This voice, we can make someone cry, we make someone laugh. We can turn them off, we can turn them on. We all know how powerful this voice is, devotees. And what use are we putting our voices to? Are we hurting or helping or healing or what are we doing? We all know what our voice is, and devotees use it to the best of your ability to make people's life meaningful. So she is singing in this wonderful environment of the water of the river. And devotees, such was the nature of a song and the voice and the vibration, you would seem to think to want to forget your sorrows. What man can do, nature can do. Jangal mein mangal hai. The joy you get in Mother Nature, you won't get it anywhere else. That's why Kartik Nahan is so good. That's why Ganesh Visarjan is coming up. And so many other occasions where our sages have given us occasions to go by the beach, by the sea, by the river, under a tree, on the mountain, what have you. Use those opportunities to go and find that oxygen you need in life. But we all know trees are vital for our very survival. They absorb poisonous dioxide and give us oxygen, and we need that forevermore. So devotees, when she saw this lady, she spoke and said, "O intelligent one with sweet voice, are you worshipping someone? Who are you worshipping? Tell me all about the nature of your worship." And when the question was asked, immediately, devotee, the answer came. What was the answer? Gananayak ke puja karahi, jehi puje sankat dukhay tarahi, triya purusha vrat kare jo man panchita phal pave soyi. Jai Ganesh Baba, Shri Ganesh Baba, Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesh Baba, Shri गणनायक भगवान गणेश की पूजा कर रही हूँ, जिनकी पूजा करने से सारे दुख एवं संकट टल जाते हैं। स्त्री का या पुरुष तो भी यह व्रत को करता है, उसे मन वांछित फल की प्राप्ति होती है। दमयंती ने अपना दुख उन्हें सब प्रकार को समझाकर बताया। रानी का दुख सुनकर अप्सरा प्रेम से सुंदर वचन बोली कि हे रानी, तुम गणपति का व्रत करो, तुम्हें राजा नल अवश्य मिलेंगे, यह मेरा सच्चे वचन है। दमयंती ने गणपति के व्रत की तैयारी ही और उस अपरा के साथ गणपति का पूजन किया। Devotees, who are you worshipping? Explain. And immediately this celestial being, she said, I am worshipping Lord Ganesh. Now notice she's walking, doing all sorts of things, and nobody could offer any solution. But devotees, there's always a solution, and I keep reminding you, our religion, Hinduism, is a solution-oriented religion. You don't get it from a man, you get it from animal. You get it from animal, you get it from a tree. But somewhere it is going to come. This is the greatest of your religion. It offers a solution to your problems. Therefore, hold on, not to the problem, but hold on to your religion. Believe in it, practice it, and you'll see the benefit of it. So here, devotees, she got the answer. She said, I'm worshipping Lord Ganesh. Whatever might be your difficulty, sorrow or misfortune, whether man or woman, whoever worships and observes this brat gets whatever he or she worships for. Damayanti explained her sorrow to her in every possible way. Hearing the grief of the queen, the Apsara said in loving words, "O queen, you have the solution. You observe the brat of Lord Ganesh. I am confident you will certainly find King Nal." Hear how holy people and people who are sincere speak, Let's suppose and I wish and I hope and desire. I am telling you, she says, I am confident that you will find your king. You will meet him and things become well once again. Damayanti made preparation for the Ganesh Vrat and worshiped Lord Ganesh along with the Apsara. And so devotees, she did that puja. But what happened? When you plant a tree, you don't get the fruit immediately, nor do you see the tree. It takes a bit of time. And so devotees, she did that puja. She was still a bit lonely, bit unhappy. And so she said, you know what, how long will I keep walking here, there, everywhere? I've got a solution, I'm going to practice it, but where? And she thought of her father. Think of that, devotees. A lady who was married, who was a queen. Today she remembers her father. When do you remember your parents? When you're in trouble, when you want money, when you want something from them? That's when we remember them. I wish you well. I have no problem with that if that's your thinking. And I'm not being insultive or offensive. I'm telling you how people are. Devotees, we should always consider our parents very highly. You see Lord Ganesh, what he did? He set the example. When the bet was given, or the challenge was given, who can go around the world first? He said, I'll go to a rat, I will reach nowhere. So let me go around my parents. And he went around his parents, Shiva and Shakti, on a rat. And he became Pratham Puj, the one to be worshipped first. Do we put our parents first, or when are we going to do the devotee? Those who have done it will see the benefit of it. And I'm not saying this to butt up any parent here elsewhere, or because I'm a parent. That's not the case. We have to speak what the scriptures say. And if we don't put our parents first, well, go ahead. Wait on time. Things might go well today, next year, 10 years, 5 years, but will happen eventually. Nobody is saying let there be an imbalance between, let's say, you and your wife, or you and your husband, between you and your children, between your family. You have to learn how to balance the feeling, the emotions, and the love, and let none suffer, and let none feel cheated. That's all I could say. And there's much more we could say about that. But devotees, so she remembered her father. And God bless all those who remember their parents. In this case, it's father, but we say parents. Bless them, they're indeed truly outstanding. When Sri Ram wanted to go in the forest, there's so many examples. Lakshman went and said, Prabhu, I want to go in the forest with you. Sri Ram said, Bhaiya, you want to go with me? No. You're forgetting something. Who am I forgetting? Go and ask Ma Sumintra. And if your mother says you can go, then I will take you with me. So Sri Ram did not overlook Ma Sumintra. A great example to show how important a mother is, and so much more. Devotees, and I could say it till I make you sleepy or fed up. Sorry to say that. But these points are not driving home. It's not getting somewhere. I don't know what is missing in it. Is it a block in my heart and my mind? We sing it with all earnestness, all sincerity. We are saying the words of the scripture. Think of mother and father. When we couldn't walk, we couldn't talk. We had no hair, we had no teeth. Who was there for us? I can go on and on, leave it there. So devotees, she began to think, you know what, I'll go to my father's home. I'll go to my father's home. And there I will practice devotion to Lord Ganesh. And so devotees, and she said, if I have to die in his home or whatever it might be, I'm not going anywhere. I will continue to worship Lord Ganesh until Lord Ganesh showers his grace upon me. And that is what stick-to-itiveness is. We can't be a part-time devotee, a sometime devotee. We are part-time, we woke up part-time this and part-time that. We want full-time, committed devotees of God. Because what he did, he gave us the greatest gift. And what's the greatest gift? The gift of life. Anybody could give you life. They could take your life. But the greatest gift is the gift of life. And who came from? Mother, Father, and God. Mother, Father, and God. The devotees, it's up to you and I to accept this, practice it, and see the benefit of it. So she says, I am going back to my father's home. I know he told me when we got married, no matter what happens, stick it out. But now I don't have no husband. I don't know where he is. And if I had him, well, I would have found a way to stay with him, but it is not possible. So therefore, I'm going back to his home and explain the situation. And when I reach my father, then he will guide me accordingly, because he's a great man. A great man. I love him. You ever heard children saying that? I love you, Papa. I love you, Mama. I love you, Daddy. Well, if they say that's good. So devotees. So she decided now, Tab uti chali pita grih ai, shok sahit kachu, divas samai, Shri Gananath kripa tab kinha, ani pas raje tab dinha. With great difficulty, because she's going and she has two minds, you know, what the father will say, what the people will say, and you know this is how the world is. Hey, where's she going? Eh? Where's she going back with the father for? You know how we like to talk in Trinidad and all over the world. We're quick to talk about other people. It happens to us, we shut them out. We won't dare say something. So devotees, with great difficulty, that's a serious statement, and I like how this book is made. They don't elaborate, but you have to, you know, think about it. With great difficulty, you have lost your husband, you don't know where he is. You met a sage, he has blessed you. Now you're going back to your father, who said, no matter what happens, stick it out. How she could stick it out? Where and with who? And she didn't have a home. And she lost the kingdom. So now she's in a serious situation. The only person she could turn to is her dear father. But with great difficulty, I love the words, with great difficulty, she reached her father's house. And the father welcomed her. Parents don't turn away children, just so you know. Children turn away from parents. I've said that so many a time. You ever see a Murti walk out of a temple? We just walk out of the temple. We walk out of the temple. Murti don't walk out of the temple. Have you seen that? If you've seen that, I need to know. Unless somebody stole it. Unless. So devotees. She reached, her father saw her. And devotees. She spent her day in sorrow. Not in happiness. Yes, she is safe. Safety is one, but safety alone is not happiness. I am safe from the anger and from the animals outside here. But I have no peace of mind. My husband is missing, and nobody can tell me anything constructive or meaningful about where his whereabouts. So what should I do? And I was told to worship Lord Ganesh. And so devotees, she said, I will stay here. And she explained to her father, and he decided to give her shelter. And said, stay, daughter, no matter what whoever say, I know people like to agar-bagar, like to talk. They like to say everything, whether it's dear daughter or dear son, they will never open their mouth. That's how Srinathas and the world is, you know. But the world, you have to be tough. If you're not tough, you ain't going nowhere in life. You have to be strong. So she said, I will stay here. My father understands, but he has brought me up, and here I am now back at his home. And devotee, there in her father's home, she continued worshipping Lord Ganesh. Day in, day out. And devotees, every day, she would worship Lord Ganesh. We do this kirtanam.
प्रथम भजो मैं गणपति देवा प्रथम भजो मैं गणपति देवा, जय 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 गणनाथा, जय जय जय
गणनाथा।
ओ प्रथम भजो मैं गणपति देवा,
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 जय 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 गणनाथा। मुक्ति प्रदाता है जगदाता,
मुक्ति प्रदाता हे जगन्नाथा,
मुक्ति प्रदाता है गणनाथा,
मुक्ति प्रदाता हे गणनाथा,
गणपति देवा हे सुखदाता,
गणपति देवा हे सुखदाता,
ओ गणपति देवा हे सुखदाता,
गणपति देवा हे सुखदाता,
जय 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 गणनाथा, जय 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 गणनाथा। प्रथम भजो मैं गणपति देवा, प्रथम भजो मैं गणपति देवा, जय 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 गणनाथा, जय 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 गणनाथा, जय जय जय
गणनाथा।
बोले श्री गजानन स्वामी की जय. So she prayed every day, devotees. Om Ganganapatiye Namah. And her prayer was simply this: Lord, I've heard and I know of your greatness. Many have been helped by you. I am also a devotee. Am I not deserving of your grace and your support and your help, O Lord? Please, and devotees, we all know this wonderful one. आज अंधेरे में है हम इंसान, ज्ञान का सूरज चमका दे भगवान।
आज अंधेरे में है हम इंसान, ज्ञान का सूरज चमका दे भगवान।
भगवन राह दिखारे, भटक रहे हम राह दिखारे, भगवन राह दिखारे। कदम कदम पर किरण बिछारे, भगवन किरण बिछारे। कदम कदम पर किरण बिछारे, भगवन किरण बिछारे। दुनिया होवे सुखी हमारे, दुनिया होवे सुखी हमारे। सारे परदान, ऐसा दे परदान। आज मेरे में है
हम इंसान, ज्ञान का सूरज चमका दे भगवान।
तो है संतान तिहारी, प्रभु संतान तिहारी। हम तो है संतान तिहारी, प्रभु संतान तिहारी। तेरी दया पर हम अधिकारी, प्रभु है हम अधिकारी। तेरी दया पर हम अधिकारी, प्रभु है हम अधिकारी। दुनिया होवे सुखी हमारी, दुनिया होवे सुखी हमारी। ऐसा दे परदान, ऐसा दे परदान। आज मेरे में है हम इंसान, ज्ञान का सूरज चमका दे भगवान। आज मेरे में है
हम इंसान,
ज्ञान का सूरज चमका दे भगवान। Today, Lord, the world is in darkness, my world. I want you to light a lamp of hope and joy and happiness for me. Am I not your child also? Didn't you also bless me with the gift of life? You know, many people are crying out for this kind of help and this kind of support from the Lord devotees. And the Lord does not disappoint. Man may disappoint, but not God. It takes time. You see, dig a hole and put a seed. Tomorrow you won't see a tree, nor a plant. It takes time. Look how long it took for us to get 5 feet or 4 feet or 6 feet or whatever. It takes time. Everything is a matter of time, devotees. And so we need to have patience and keep doing what we're doing. Put a stone under a tap. It's leaking. At first, nothing seemed to be happening. But eventually, a little crack will appear. And then it gets bigger and bigger, and the stone will burst apart. So to his life, so to her situation, and there's so many example devotees. So here now she's crying out. She needs help.
She has done everything. Where else to turn? Who else to go to? My father is here. At least thank God he has understanding, he has love. He has given me a bit of place to stay, and I'm going to enjoy the stay here. I am happy. I'm making acquaintance with my friends from once again and the place where I was brought up. But I know I don't belong here. I belong at the left side of my king, and I'm not seeing him. I don't know where he is. And so, devotees, one day, while she was praying like this, she heard a voice, and I pray we all will hear that voice. The voice of one who is near and dear to you. The voice of the Lord. The voice that you're waiting to hear. You wish you could hear. She heard the voice of her husband, but she opened her eyes, and devotee, what could she see again? Who could she see? उन्हें पुनः अपना राज मिल गया और उसका परिवार से बिछुड़ने का शोक भी समाप्त हो गया. Devotee heard the voice of her husband. Nal and Damayanti, they came back together. And devotees, they got back the kingdom. They got back the family. The sorrow came to an end. And devotees, joy in abundance was theirs to enjoy. They made the sacrifice, they paid, they suffered, but devotees, they got back all that they so richly deserved. So this is the story of Nal and Damayanti, taken from Ganesh Puran, where through the grace of Lord Ganesh and so many others, devotees, separation brought back union, unhappiness and misfortune gave way to fortune and happiness, and so much more. What else do you want? You have been making a sacrifice. Some have done more than others. Whatever it, God knows, I am not here to judge that. But devotees, you have done well, each and every one. And we pray that the Lord will bless you abundantly. Keep on moving on. Don't give up. Stick to itiveness. Ganapati Baba is the Lord, whom Lord Shiva and Parvati created for our happiness, for our success, for our fulfillment. And devotees, may they bless you abundantly. Bole Shri Gajanan Swami Ki. There's a lot more we could say, but each time, yesterday to today, it crossed my mind to speak out how important it is, the marriage and union and so on, but we don't have time for that. But devotee, you have spent quite some time, and I hope having come, your evening has been well spent. And we have a few days left in Ganesh Yag. We will end on Sunday with Visarjan and Shagaramas, and tomorrow we're having the final session from 3 to 5. 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. And there's a reason behind that, but we won't have to go all of that now. So 3 to 5 p.m. And somebody said, Baba, next year don't shortchange me. I said, what do you mean by that? He said, give me full 11 nights. I said, we go see. We'll see. If we get the Murti from the first day, we'll go. We will go. So those of you who have your pocket change put aside, I will start making that little promise, or whatever term you wish to use. Give your word, pledge, and we have the money. Because you know how much for Murti? Very expensive. And if there are those people who do import and export, we could bring our own Murti. Through Swaha, it will cost half the price, I think. I could be wrong, but I think so. Right? So we'd have to buy it from somebody, a third party, and whatever. So I'm just putting out to you, next year's Ganesh Utsav celebration depends on you, your generosity, the bigness of your heart, and the depth of your pocket. However you want to put it. And we see we have devotees who have very deep pockets, very large hearts, and very large minds. And so we have to obviously live for next year too. We want to live, because we see a number of devotees just going by the wayside, going down. The man who gave us all his Murti with his wife, he passed away this week. I don't want to call names now. Gone. But you know what they say? Your shirt will vanish. Your clothes will vanish. Your books will vanish. Your car, your house. But what you did will never leave. It stays in the minds of people. And that's what we're here to do. To create space in the minds of people, to fill their minds with good feelings so they can understand what life is all about. So I don't want to continue talking. I'm just putting you on guard for next year. So it's up to you. And you know, Om Shakti never lets it down. And there's always somebody who will stand up and pick up the slack. or all of us could do it this time. So blessings to you all, and we're going to say special blessing to Swastika, who is standing now, walking toward the baby. That's my second daughter. She's the president of Tulsi Manas Mandir. I can't go up there all the time. Even the temple too, I can't make it. Even the school, I go once in a month or once a term. But she's doing great work on our behalf, on behalf of Swaha. And Swastika, we say blessings to you and to your two giant of a son, of sons, and your husband who supports you fully, Pandit Chandradev. So we shall have the Havan. Pass a mic. And today we take a little more time deliberately because we know tomorrow is holiday, Saturday. So we'll remember tomorrow is 3 to 5 p.m. And don't forget the challenge next day if you want the full 11 days. And once God with me, I go in. It's a special feeling, a special moment. So let's join Pandit Vinayak and Abhay and Abhinesh. And those of you who came and you had problems for parking, well, we didn't expect what happened next door. But each person is free to do as they see fit. And we'll bear that in mind and plan accordingly for next time. But we had no problem with the MTS. Very, very good, very accommodating. Very accommodating. And don't go Radhika. She has the second MTS home. Car park. Radhika and her family. Ready? Okay, let's join in Swaha.
Om Gam Ganapati Namah Swaha.
Swaha.
Om Gauri Mata Swaha.
Swaha.
Om Panchokpal Devta Swaha.
Swaha.
Om Suryadino Grah Devta Swaha.
Swaha.
Om Agin Devta Swaha. Om Dum Durgai Namah Swaha.
Swaha.
Om Shrim Hrim Klim Aim Kamalavasini Swaha. Om M Shri Saraswati Swaha. Om Shri Kalika Mata Swaha. Om Ganga Mata Swaha. Om Prithvi Mata Swaha. Om Tulsi Devi Swaha. Om Hrim Shashti Devya Swaha. Om Shakambari Devi Swaha. Om Annapurna Devi Swaha. Om Bhairavi Devi Swaha. Om Namo Narayanaya Swaha. Om Sita Ramachandaya Swaha. Om Shri Radha Krishna Govindaya Swaha. Om Surya Devta Swaha. Om Han Hanumantaya Swaha. Om Ish Devta Swaha. Om Ish Devta Swaha. Om Kul Devta Swaha. Om Sthan Devta Swaha. Om Itat Karam Pradhan Devta Swaha. Om Bastu Devta Swaha. Om Tenchit Karo Devta Swaha. Om Sarva Devta Swaha. Om Sarva Devi Swaha. Om Shranat Surupaya Swaha. Om Guru Devta Swaha. Om Gayatri Mata Swaha. Om Savitri Mata Swaha. Om Shri Radha Devi Swaha. Om Sita Mata Swaha. Om Swaha Devi Swaha. Om Shri Vinayakaya Swaha.
Please all stand for Purnahuti, remain standing for Arti. And if you wish to come to the Murti, wish for Chandan, that's your choice.
Om Purnamira Purnamiram Purnata Purnamurachate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishate Om Sarvam Vai Purnagvam Swaha.
Swaha.
Sajang Chavrati Sanyuktang Vahin Yogitang Maya Deepam Grihana Devasya Trayokya Timirapamittiripam Om Yani Kani Chapachani Janmanta Kritani Cha Tani Tani Vinashanti Pradakshin Pare Pare Om Deepam Samarpayami.
जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा लडवन को भोग लगी संत करे सेवा
लडवन को भोग लगे संत करे सेवा
माथे सिंदूर सोही उसकी सवारी जय गणेश देवा जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा
जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पति पिता महादेव अंधन को वाक देता कोरियन को काया
धन को आँख देता कोरियन को काया
भाजन को
पुत्र दिगा निर्धन को माया जय गणेश देवा जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा
हार चढ़े फूल चढ़े और चढ़े मेवा
हार चढ़ी फूल चढ़ी और चढ़ी मेवा सूरदास शरण आए सुपर करो सेवा जय गणेश देवा जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा
जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा
गणपति गणेश को उमापति महेश को मेरा ही प्रणाम है मेरा ही प्रणाम है मेरा ही प्रणाम शंकर बोले बाबा को डमरू बजाने वाले को
डमरू बजाने वाले
को मेरा ही प्रणाम है मेरा ही प्रणाम
मेरा ही प्रणाम है मेरा ही प्रणाम गणपति गणेश को उमापति महेश को
मेरा ही प्रणाम है मेरा ही प्रणाम मेरा ही प्रणाम है मेरा ही प्रणाम सियापति राम को राधेपति श्याम को
मेरा ही प्रणाम
है मेरा ही प्रणाम मेरा ही प्रणाम है मेरा ही प्रणाम अंजनी के पुत्र को राम जी के पुत्र को मेरा ही प्रणाम है मेरा ही प्रणाम मेरा ही प्रणाम है मेरा ही प्रणाम गणपति गणेश को उमापति महेश को मेरा ही प्रणाम है मेरा ही प्रणाम मेरा ही प्रणाम है मेरा ही प्रणाम जय गणपति देवा जय गणपति देवा गजानन गजानना हे गणपति देवा जय 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 गणपति देवा जय 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 गणपति देवा माता पार्वती पिता महादेवा
माता पार्वती पिता महादेवा
लडवन को भोग लगे संत करे सेवा लडवन को भोग लगे संत करे सेवा जय 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 गणपति देवा जय 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 जय
पति देवा
गजानना हे गजानना
गजानना हे गजानना
गजानना हे गजानना
गजानना हे गजानना
गजानना हे गणपति देवा गजानना हे गणपति देवा माता पार्वती पिता महादेवा
माता पार्वती पिता महादेवा
माता पार्वती पिता महादेवा
माता पार्वती पिता महादेवा
लडवन को भोग लगी संत करे सेवा लडवन को भोग लगी संत करे सेवा गौरी गणेश उमा महेश पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश गौरी गणेश
उमा महेश पार्वती नंदन सिद्धि गणेश
गौरी गणेश उमा महेश पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश
गौरी गणेश उमा महेश पार्वती नंदन सिद्धि गणेश
शरणं गणेश शरणं गणेश
शरणं गणेश शरणं गणेश
शरणं गणेश शरणं गणेश
शरणं गणेश शरणं गणेश
शिवनंदन गणपति गणेश शिवनंदन गणपति गणेश गौरी गणेश उमा महेश पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश गौरी गणेश उमा महेश पार्वती नंदन
सिद्धि गणेश
गणनाथा गजवरना गणनाथा दीनवंदना
गणनाथा गजवरना गणनाथा दीनवंदना
सिद्धिदाता शिवतनया
सिद्धिदाता शिवतनया
सिद्धिप्रदायक गजानना
सिद्धिप्रदायक गजानना
पार्वती नंदन भाव भय भंजन पार्वती नंदन भाव भय भंजन युग युग वंदन जय श्री गणेश युग युग वंदन जय श्री गणेश गणनाथा गजवरना मोरिया गणपति बाबा मोरिया गणपति बाबा मोरिया सुख बंदा सुख हरता मेरा गणपति बाबा मोरिया सुख करता दुख हरता मेरा गणपति बाबा मोरिया आओ प्रभु मेरे आओ
मंगल मूर्ति आओ
आओ प्रभु मेरे आओ मंगल मूर्ति आओ मोरिया रे बाबा मोरिया रे बाबा मोरिया रे बाबा मोरिया रे
We join in closing prayer. Om Mangalam Bhagwan Vishnu Mangalam Garudhvajam Mangalam Pundarikaksha Mangalayatano Hari Om Avahanam Najanami Visarjanam Pujang Chaiva Najanami Chammatam Parmeshwara Om Tvameva Mata Cha Pita Tvameva Bandho Sya Sekha Tvameva Vidya Indravinam Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva Om Shanti 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 Bole Shri Gajanan Swami ki jai Umapati Mahadev ki jai Pavan Sutta Hanuman ki jai Ad Shakti Swaha Mata ki jai Uraisa Jagarnath ki jai Bolo Bhai Sab Santan ki jai Bole Shri Guru Maharaj ki jai Satya Sanatan Dharma की शुभ मस्तु कल्याण मस्तु आपको धन्यवाद सत्य आशीर्वाद आप लोग बैठ जाएंगे पाहि माम त्राहि माम ओम तत्सत शक्ति शरणम blessings to all until tomorrow 3 p.m. and then Sunday we shall leave here. Well, the president will tell us now. Chandika.
Sitaram devotees, and a special welcome to each and every one of you to our second night of our Sri Ganesh Yagya. Pandit Baram Prasad officiating Vyas, Purohit Pandit, Pandit Vinayak Prasad, Pandit Varish Prasad, Pandit Chandradev Dubey, all specially invited guests, again a special welcome. I just want to make mention of our Shrota Swastika and her two handsome sons, my nephews, Abhay and Abhinesh, who stand by her like stalwarts and sat and listened to puja tonight. Blessings to all of you, and of course your husband, Chandradev, my brother-in-law. Tonight I just want to make mention of Pandit Varish and Anisha Prasad, who sponsored the Parasad, and Anisha's uncle, who made the Parasad, that's Uncle Ishwarlal. Mr. Maniram and family, who also gave towards the prasadam. We also have the food, who was sponsored by Ria from Dwellings. All right, and to our usual members, Auntie Angela and Auntie Oma, Poyo. We even had Uncle Bogart who came tonight. He has been bringing religiously the flowers and the leaves for the puja every night. All right, so to each and every one of you, Auntie Pramati, Melissa, Narad, Vishnu, Auntie Radhika, all of you who keep supporting us night after night, blessings to each of you. Also to Uncle Puja Dewan family, his niece who gave towards the prasadam. We had several donations, some of which remain anonymous as per their request. I would also like to make mention of a donation by Frankie's family, his wife, and family, his sons. Uncle Bogart, again, like I said, we collected from a young member of the temple. He does not want his name called. Mr. Sham Hari Prasad. Nirvana Harilal is not with us tonight. She came last night. She comes with her 2 children and her husband all the time. Auntie Shakuntala and family, she also avidly supports Panabaran wherever he goes. Lina and family, Sitaram Kisun and family, Azad and family. Thank you and blessings to so many of you who continue to contribute and support us through these ventures. I want to make mention that, again, next week Thursday there will be no service because we will complete the Yagya tomorrow. And note the time, 3 to 5 p.m. It's not any night. Parking is available at MTS Plaza, so definitely make yourself available tomorrow between 3 and 5. The Thursday, the 26th of September, we will have the Pitra Hawan. All right, that's in the evening, 6:30 to 8 p.m. we will have service. And on Durga Ashtami night, that's the 10th of October, please keep that free. We will have service that night as well. It is covered, food, prasadam, and shrota. So please do attend, accept our invitation. And also bring your prasadam, lapsi, sohari, etc. to Chalhawi. You're also invited to Chalhawi tomorrow if you did not get a chance to do so tonight and last night. Bring your laddu and your prasadam. Right, and on Sunday, we will meet here to carry all 3 murtis to Tembladora Park in Chagaramas. We are asked to be there so that preparations could be made prior to the start. We would like all the murtis to be there before 8 a.m. Before 8 a.m. All right, I know Uncle Naradan, they are helping us carry these murtis down. We're borrowing one of your vans, I believe, to Auntie Radhika. All right, so these 3 murtis will be carried in grand procession down to Tembladora Park in Chagaramas on Sunday the 15th. That's Sunday coming, day after tomorrow. We will reach there before 8, set up the tables, and we ask you to bring your offerings, your prasadam, your flowers, your rice, your coconut, etc. And we wish to hope to finish by 11 a.m. All right, so that you are back home before midday or by midday. All right, so I believe that's all for the announcements. Again, anybody who would like to be added to the Om Shakti chat, please let me know. You'll accept your arti and panchamrit on the inside of the mandir. Please no eating on the inside of the mandir. And then you proceed to the outside where you'll collect your meals, and we hope to see you again tomorrow. Sitaram. Jai Shri Ganesh.
Sitaram. And devotees, when you all came up for Chandan, a number of people have already committed themselves for next year. So I am seeing a huge, bumper, successful Ganesh Jayanti.